see, put them in a one little jump to themselves and one. Keep them cool, you know what I mean? You can tell a KFC type here.
See. Yes guys, Farm Yard is here again with the next video about to interview a next Jamaican, next young farmer in the business. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Yeah guys, I got ask the general some question now. I'm gonna hear what I go on. Alright? Yeah man. So Mr. Jevy, how long since you have been doing this business?
Yeah. You know, sir.
How long you have been raising chicken?
It's been a while now still, but you just kind of put it down.
Okay.
Since November back now, I start it back. You see me?
Yeah.
Because you know a thing go.
True. I know sometimes it get rough. Yeah. True. Sometimes it get tough, man. So, how much for one bag of these feeding? This chicken feed?
2,500 because $50 less.
Yeah. So, Mr. Jevy, is this alone you do for a living or you do something else other than this to bring a bit of cash to help with this?
Yeah, I'm a youth now. All around you have to call me. You see me, I say.
True.
That's straight. You see me? You know, sit down and see your kid spoil or the knees very or jackfruit. You see me? You have to touch it forth more.
True.
For the peace side. You see me, I did.
Said way. True. So you can hear guys, he's a real hustler. Yeah. Him dig a road for himself. Him no work with people, him put in him own work. You understand? Yeah, that's it there. I rate that. I respect that. You understand? Yeah man. If someone would do this and have the mind we have right now, he would have better off. You understand? Yeah, even though him want a whole heap of help right now. Same way people, you understand? Yeah, him really need the help. So but I want the people him reach out and give him a hand to what him do. You understand? Because him do some real work. No joke about it. You understand? Him alone me come see a people. Him alone, you know normally fowl pick and you know, you'd have somebody else with you. Him alone. You understand?
Sometimes it's advice, man. You see me?
Yeah. For sure, yeah, him just put in him work. Him no wait for people. You understand? Him no wait for nobody. Him just do him have to do. You understand people? That me I try to say, and that me like, that me love. You understand? And no one that no love to see him way. A man have to just put in him work. You understand? Yeah guys. Yeah my peeps. Yeah man. And guys, we don't want to really pre no way, you know. You understand? But he's just a man who always do him thing by himself. You understand? Yeah, go. So Mr. Jevy, so this 2022, how far you want this business to go? How far you pre it? Or wide you pre it for this 2022?
Well, believe me, it's a look good look. Alright now, for you have that's dedication do your thing, you know. The mind. When you say I do a thing, you just do it. You see. So it's a good look.
Yeah. True. Me understand clearly. Clearly. So what you say, you did tell me before you're a all rounder. Yeah, so this is the trade
he really determined. I can
you
see
want to
that.
accomplish.
He really determined.
You
When
understand? Or
determined
this
in
is
life,
what you want to
must
accomplish
reach where you want.
in life, right?
Don't it?
This is
Well,
one of
Don't it,
what
my
you want to
peeps?
accomplish in life.
Yeah, man,
yeah, we
just
just
stay
a do
tuned.
thing.
Stay tuned, my people.
What on board? We go
Farm,
on.
yeah.
You see me?
Yeah, what
Find a
forward,
street.
just forward.
Yeah, we find a street.
But we just
find
go
a
and do the
street.
right thing in a real life. Yeah, people.
What on board?
Yeah, people. I want to know stay tuned, you know. You understand? Yeah, man. As me tell you, are some real things the man a go on in the place. You understand? And a joke thing him a go on with. I do him own thing, you see it? Yeah, man. No joke. Yeah, so people just, they don't know what's going on. Don't forget, watch out now. I want to see my face now, you know. Watch out. Don't forget the post notification bell. You understand? Yeah, man. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Same way. For me out there, man. Always tune in. You understand? Yeah, man. Don't forget to subscribe. You see it? Yeah, man. And leave a comment to know what you think about this same way, don't it? Yeah, man. We out here, man. You see me? It's a different day. I mean, I say, people, I never tell you no Merry Christmas, but me I go tell you no Happy New Year's. You understand? Yeah. Same way, man. We there, man. Farm yard out here.
Well, you see, put them in a one little jump to themselves and one. Keep them cool, you know what I mean? You tell her, a KFC type here.
See, do everything cool. Fully fresh.
In this street thing with the pan. The pan a little boy too. Have to keep it grades up. You know,
See that, guys? Peat water. Do you know what that do? Can't keep it for all night too long still now. If you keep it for all night too long, foul will burn up. You see it? Yeah, so you have to definitely time it. Yeah. Depends on how hot is the water too, you know? Yeah, man.
It's a pretty beautiful day, my peeps. It's a pretty beautiful day. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.
Peeps in come out. Dead and ready for dead, sir. Same time now, you know, peeps. Yeah, man. You don't know what's going on, people. I saw it have to go, you know. All of them have to dispatch before they can eat. Every meat. You understand? Every meat have to dispatch before it can eat. You understand, so? And a murderation. Or slaughteration. You understand? Yeah, you know to every meat have to dispatch before it can eat. Yeah, guys. Yeah, my people, you don't know, different vibes with the pan today. Different vibes, you know. Yeah, man, and people, me never show you know, how him kill the fowl, you know. You understand? No. Never show you how him slaughter the fowl, them. You understand? Even though that's not a good word. Yeah, people, you see that back there? Yeah, we Jamaicans, very creative. Yeah, man. And the bag, him slaughter them in a people. Just put them in the bag and cut off them head up at the top and make them flatter down in the bag. I'm going to show you how it go. Real Jamaican apple.
Yeah, my peeps. Real Jamaican apple, you know. Yeah, man. Just think about it tonight, man. And see that big bite there, you know what go on. Yeah, guys. Remember, I did telling us I'm going to show you what go on. I'm going to show you when I kill them. Yeah, man. See what go on now. What go on now, my peeps. Said way. Put it down in the bag. Yeah, and make sure it's the head out. Make sure the head out. Yeah, so him can cut it and make him drop in the bag and
Do
flat
no
so
easy
blood no
style people.
scatter all about so the meat no
See
get
that?
damaged, you understand?
Creative.
Yeah man, I see it go. Flat out.
So it go guys. Now
Yeah
draw my
my
peeps.
people. So we me are this. Don't forget the post notification bell my people, you understand? Yeah man. Whole heap of respect.
Yeah my people. Think we reach the end of the video, you know. Yeah man. So what you know? Just remember you know. Don't forget the post notification bell, yeah. Yeah man, please me a big one. Don't forget the thumbs up and don't forget to leave a comment, alright? Yeah man, see you my people. Don't know, for me I'll be catching you again for a different video, you see it? Yeah man, no joke. Catch you later. Look up in the camera.